Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the phone and peripherals. Make sure battery level is healthy and airplane mode is disabled. Now, open settings and turn Bluetooth off, count to 5, then turn it back on. This resets the radio quickly. Next, inspect the paired devices list and remove any duplicates or old devices that can confuse the stack. Doing these things clears temporary conflicts and often fixes the error fast. Once done, try reconnecting the accessory to see if the issue persists. Once the quick reset didn't work, you move to deeper fixes. Clear the Bluetooth app cache and data from the app info page. This removes corrupted temporary files that often trigger crashes. If that fails, reset network settings. Be aware this erases saved Wi-Fi and VPN profiles, so make a note of passwords. To check whether another app is causing the crash, boot the device into safe mode and try pairing there. If Bluetooth works, an installed app is the culprit, and you should uninstall recent additions. For final resolution, install any pending system updates and reboot. Manufacturers often fix Bluetooth stack bugs and patches, so this step is crucial. If updates don't help, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last resort, because that restores the system to a clean state and eliminates persistent corruption. If the problem still remains, gather relevant logs and device details, then contact support or visit a service center. Bring proof of purchase and describe the steps you already tried to speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.